In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Discord account with Lost Authenticator. Losing access to your Authenticator app can make it difficult to log into your Discord account, especially if two-factor authentication is enabled. Fortunately, Discord provides support resources that can help you find solutions and begin the account recovery process. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Discord support and look for help regarding a lost authenticator. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Discord website. This is where you'll find access to Discord's official support resources, documentation, and account assistance options. After the Discord website has loaded, take a moment to look through the available options on the page. You'll need to locate the support section and click on it. This will direct you to Discord's support center, where you can search for solutions to common problems and get help with account-related issues. When you arrive at the support page, you'll notice a variety of help articles and resources designed to assist users with different concerns. Since you're trying to recover an account after losing access to an Authenticator app, you'll want to continue looking for the Help button. According to the process, the Help button can be found near the bottom right corner of the page. Once you locate it, click on it to open the Support Assistance feature. This tool is designed to help guide users toward relevant support articles and troubleshooting information. After opening the Help section, you'll be given the opportunity to describe the issue you're experiencing. In the search field, type the problem you want solved. In this case, you can enter information related to losing access to your Authenticator or being unable to log in because of two-factor authentication. Once you've entered your issue, Discord's support system will display relevant information and resources that may help you resolve the problem. Carefully review the suggestions and guidance provided. These resources are designed to answer common questions and direct users to the most appropriate support options. If you're unable to access your account because of a lost authenticator, it's important to follow the instructions provided by Discord support carefully. Taking the time to review the available guidance can help you understand the recovery options available for your specific situation. That's all there is to it. By visiting the Discord website, accessing the support section, opening the Help feature, and searching for your issue, you can begin the process of finding assistance for recovering your account after losing access to your Authenticator. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,